Today we are making something colorful, hearty, and packed with flavor. Southwest stuffed bell peppers. All right, let's get cooking. Welcome to Gabby U Healthy Kitchen. Let's get cooking and make something delicious. Here is a view of all the ingredients you will be needing. Full recipe and instructions will be below. So first, take your bell peppers, chop off the tops, and you scoop out the seeds and membranes. We're trying to create little edible bowls of joy here, okay? And look at that. So beautiful. Now preheat that oven to 375. We want it nice and cozy for our peppers, okay? Now grab a skillet or a pot, anything. So you can heat up some olive oil, toss in your onions and saute it until they turn beautifully translucent, about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the ground beef and our powerhouse spices, cumin, chili powder. You could add a little cayenne pepper if you're feeling very spicy. Add your garlic, salt, all that. And then you stir, cook it until everything is brown and smelling amazing. So about 10 to 12 minutes. Once that is ready, set in your beans, your salsa, and stir. And a bit of that yummy cheese. Cook quinoa, mix it all together and let it hang out on low heat for another 5 minutes. Yes, all the quinoa has been added and you just mix it all up. Now you got a delicious mix. Time to stuff those peppers. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Could use this to decorate your house. No, we're gonna eat this thing. And if you are still watching, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, okay? Thanks. Now, load them up with your delicious beef and quinoa mix, like I'm doing here. Load them up one by one. And here you got it. Look at that beautiful creation. Now you have all that done. Top it with a sprinkle of the remaining cheese and place them upright in your baking dish or your baking pan. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until the peppers are tender and the cheese is gloriously melted. And after about 30 minutes, this is what we've got. The bell peppers are ready. However, if you're using dairy-free cheese like what I'm using here, you may not see that full melt like regular cheese, but it's all good and delicious anyway. Time to garnish, decorate your bell peppers. So sprinkle on some fresh cilantro and boom, you've got a meal that is as pretty as it is delicious. Your Southwest stuffed bell peppers. And here it is. And by the way, it is called Southwest because of the bold, hearty flavors, which is inspired by the Southwestern US. So think about cumin, chili beans, and all that good stuff. So just to let you know why it's called Southwest. Okay, look at that. Let's eat this. Yes, I am ready to eat this. Look at that. Ooh. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe, okay? Thank you for cooking with me today. See you next time. Bye.